Welcome to One Point Japanese. Today's Japanese lesson, grammar. This channel helps you learn basic Japanese step by step. Today's grammar is from JLPT N5. Today's grammar is nandemo. Nandemo means anything. Let's practice with questions and answers. You can use nandemo to speak naturally. Example 1. Question. Nandemo食べますか? Do you eat anything? Answer. はい、食べます. Yes, I do. Example 2. Question. なんでも映画を見ますか? Do you watch any movies? Answer. はい、見ます. Yes, I do. Example 3. Question. なんでも音楽を聞きますか? Do you listen to any music? Answer. はい、聞きます. Yes, I do. Today's grammar was なんでも plus a verb masu form. Thank you for studying Japanese with us. We upload new videos every Saturday, Tuesday, and Wednesday.